Our company is looking for a dynamic senior accountant in the northwest suburbs. We are a global leader in CNC machine manufacturing. The company has 100 years of innovation and does approximately $225 million in revenue a year. The role is based in Elgin, Illinois. Key requirements include 2 to 4 years of senior accounting experience, strong US GAAP knowledge, and preferably Oracle JDE system experience. Responsibilities mentioned are supporting month-end close processes, preparing financial reports, and collaborating on critical accounting functions. The compensation offered is roughly $100,000 annually, plus a 10% bonus, with comprehensive benefits including medical, dental, vision, and 401k matching. The work environment will be one of a hybrid nature, with minimal travel. Comprehensive benefits include medical, dental, vision, and 401k matching. Apply today at the link below.